everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I am partnering up with a company called HONEYLOVE, and I will be telling you guys all about some of the shapewear that they offer. I will specifically be focusing on a few of the different tops that HONEYLOVE offers, but they also offer a ton of different bottoms as well. And I do want to give a big thank you to them for sending me all of these products. I am so thankful and grateful that I get to work with them, because working with them has been a life changer. Now, I do want to go ahead and do a disclaimer that there may be a little TMI in this video, and we are going to be talking about tatas, is how I will put it, in hopes that YouTube doesn't demonetize this video. In total, I will be sharing 5 products with you guys, and as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing them. And I also have a coupon code for you guys, so if you use the code Allie, Y, in all caps, you will get 10% off your purchase. Just as a little overview, the various things I will be talking about in this video are sizing, why I love the product, I will be showing you guys before and afters of wearing different things, and a bunch more, so stick around. And just a little side note, for the try-on portion, I will be filming it vertically from my phone, because that way I don't have to worry about focusing the camera perfectly, because I'm still in the dark ages using a Canon Rebel T3i that does not have autofocus. I need a new camera, I want a new camera, I don't have money for a new camera. So I figured the next best alternative was my phone. I want you guys to be able to actually see the entire product on me, which is why I'm doing it vertically. And without further ado, let's get started. Now, for those of you who don't know what shapewear is, the easiest way to put it is that it is an elastic undergarment that sucks in certain parts of your body. And for example, I will be showing you guys camis and tank tops. So the purpose of those are to suck in your midsection. And the cool thing about these tank tops and camis is that they are also liftwear, which means they will put your tatas where they should be, so that they aren't hanging down at your belly button, which is something that people like me have an issue with if you have a bigger bust. Now, I do want to say that this will not give you that perfect body that you might think you need or want, which, first off, your body is perfect the way it is. These are not going to make you skinny. They will definitely suck in parts that may be chunky or have rolls, but they're not instantly going to make you a size 2. And a lot of women choose these types of garments for the simple fact that it's not cosmetic. It is not a permanent thing, it is a temporary thing. So if you want to wear a tight dress for once and you don't want to have those extra rolls, shapewear is the way to go. But also, go wear that skin tight dress even if you have rolls. It doesn't matter. Don't listen to what others think. Don't listen to what the reflection in the mirror tells you. Don't listen to what your brain says. You are perfect the way you are. However, if you do want to have that extra confidence boost, shapewear is your answer. Next, we are going to talk about sizing, which is super important. And the reason it is so important is because if you don't have the right fit for your shapewear is not going to do what it's supposed to do, and it's also not going to fit you the way it should. And what's really great about HONEYLOVE is they are super size inclusive. They go from a size extra small all the way up to a 3X, and HONEYLOVE goes lengths to ensure your products are fitting correctly. What I mean by this is that you have 2 options. If you want, you can just go ahead and do all your sizing yourself, and to do that, all you do is go to the HONEYLOVE website and use the sizing guide. I will leave a direct link to the sizing guide down below, but on their website, it'll have you choose what product you want. I decided to use the tank as an example. Then you are going to input your band and cup size that you normally wear for your bra, and they will give you your basic recommendation. And if you want an even more accurate recommendation from them, you can continue on and tell them which hook you use for your bra, your normal dress size, how you like your clothing to fit, as well as your height, and it'll give you an even more accurate recommendation. However, if you guys are not into that and think it's too difficult, you can actually book a size fitting consultation, which consists of a 15-minute phone call with them, and they will allow you to pick what day works for you. For me personally, I just did my sizing on my own. For a reference in this video, I am between a 36 and a 38 triple D. That is the typical size I get for my bras, and for this I went with an extra large, which is what was suggested for me. And if for some reason you get your order in the mail and it does not fit, they have a 30-day hassle-free return policy. And let let me tell you, their customer service is amazing. And if it is a sizing issue, they will do their best to help you with the correct sizing. Now I want to talk a little bit more about why I specifically go with the tanks and camis. And the first reason for that is because they do not have any underwire, which is a big thing for me. I have had my appendix out and my gallbladder out, which means I have quite a few abdominal scars, one of which is where the underwire hits your sternum. And when anything rubs up against that particular area, it feels like a lightning bolt going through my chest and it hurts a ton. And with these tank tops, there is no underwire, so I have no issue. And another thing is that the whole reason HONEYLOVE was created was for the simple fact that the creator could not find shapewear that didn't roll up or bunch up, which is what a lot of the common shapewears out there on the market do. HONEYLOVE products stay in place. Let me repeat that. HONEYLOVE stays in place. It does not roll up. It does not bunch up. It stays where it is put. And another thing that I love so much is they fix my posture drastically. If you are someone with a bigger bust like me, I'm sure you sit similar to me. I am pretty much always like partially hunched over because they weigh me down in the front. However, because this shapewear is meant to give you a lift, everything is lifted where it should be, and I actually have found that I am sitting up more straight. I do not have the constant stiffness between my shoulder blades and neck that I typically get because of the weight that I am carrying around in the front. And while I am talking so much about what it does for my top region, at the same time, these tank tops have tummy control to help suck you in a little bit and give you that nice hourglass shape. And now that I've talked a ton, I am going to go ahead and get started and show you guys each of the pieces that I have received. And then after that, I will move on into a try-on portion. And I will be showing you guys 5 different products. One of them is one of their liftwear tanks, and then the other 4 are their liftwear camis. And I do want to let you guys know that there is a difference between them. The liftwear tanks are a thicker strap and they are not adjustable. However, the liftwear camis are a slightly thinner strap that are adjustable, and you can also crisscross them in the back, so keep that in mind. I also figured I would go over some of the washing instructions with you guys. First off, with your order, you will receive a mesh bag to put your garments in when you throw them in the wash. This just helps to preserve the life of them and ensure nothing happens to them in the wash. For mine, I simply throw them in the washer with like colors and like materials, so I typically throw them in with things like socks, underwear, other bras, and athletic wear. I also use a regular gentle detergent, and I skip the fabric softener, and for drying, I just hang them up on a hanger and air dry them. So now that I've done a ton of talking, I am just gonna go ahead and first show you each of the pieces. Each garment is placed in one of these bags. I actually like to store them in these bags when I am not wearing them, but you can also easily hang them up or fold them and put them in a drawer. I just personally like keeping them in the bags. And this is just what they look like, and you go ahead and can unzip it, and then the product is obviously inside. This first one I'm showing you guys is the liftwear tank I was telling you about that has the thicker straps that are not adjustable. And let me tell you, I am so in love with this color. It is a beautiful red color. It is definitely showing up a lot brighter on camera than it does in person, and it is in the color Spicy, and this is just what it looks like. And all of their tops do have removable pads. They just get removed right up near the strap. And one of the main reasons that their shapewear stays in place is because of the bottom hem. I'm not sure what you would classify it as, but it's kind of like a rubbery-ish material, and it basically just sticks to your skin and helps it to not move around. And these are just what the straps look like. Like I said, they are not adjustable, and they are a little thicker than normal. And then right here in the front, I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to tell, but there is 2 different colors, it looks like, and that is because this portion right here is the tummy control portion, and it just basically sucks you in a tiny bit to give you a more hourglass and smoother shape. And now I have 4 of the liftwear camis to show you, and like I had mentioned, the straps on these are significantly thinner. They are also adjustable, and you can also unhook the backs of them to crisscross them if you would like. And this is just what the camis look like. They are literally the exact same thing as the tank tops, except for the straps. This one is just in the color Sand, which is just a nude, and everything about it is the exact same as the tank. It has the removable cups, it is underwire free, it has the tummy control and the little thing as the bottom to help keep it from slipping. I also have it in the color Fig, which is probably my favorite one. I absolutely love this color. It is the perfect fall color. It is a deep purple. I also have it in the color Vamp, which is a really dark navy. And lastly, I have it in Runway, which is just black. These two look very, very similar. So now that I've gone ahead and shown you guys everything, I am now going to put them on and talk a little bit more about them and show you guys them. So this is just with a regular bra, and then this scar right here is the one that bothers me a ton. As you guys can see, it's rubbing right there, and it literally feels like a lightning bolt going through my chest. It hurts a ton. This is what my tank top looks like from the side, my tummy. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the HONEYLOVE Liftwear. So this is what the Liftwear tank looks like all on its own. As you guys can see, my tatas are up where they should be. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my posture is so much straighter, and it definitely does suck in my tummy quite a bit. But the main thing I love is that my tatas are up where they should be. I don't know if any of you guys have this issue either, but if you have a bigger bust, do you ever feel like you can actually breathe when they're like lifted up and supported like they should be? Because let me tell you, it's such a great feeling to be able to breathe. Like I said, the tank is the one with the thicker straps that are non-adjustable, and it does smooth your back flab and rolls out too, which I love. This is the front view, and this is the side view. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my tank top back on. Obviously, the Liftwear tank top doesn't really match the tank top that I'm wearing, but I really don't care. This is what it looks like with the tank top on. As you guys can see, it is so much flatter. I can actually like move the tank top. It's loose, and my tatas are up where they should be. So now I'm gonna move on and show you guys the Liftwear camis. Again, these are the ones that have thinner straps that are adjustable and can crisscross in the back. But I also figured I would show you guys a few different outfits that I love wearing with the Liftwear camis and do a comparison between a normal bra on versus the Liftwear on and how they look different. So starting up with this, I recently got this top from Burlington Coat Factory. Obviously, it looks kind of funny wearing a regular bra because my tatas are like way down here. They shouldn't be. You can see my belly button, and it just fits weirdly with a normal bra. This is from the side. This is from the front. This is the back. So this is just what the striped top looks like with the Liftwear cami on. Obviously, my girls are not down here like they were with my regular bra. They are up. This is from the side. Again, it sucks in my tummy, which I love. The back is all smoothed out, and I can't wait to wear this a ton this summer. I literally have so much more room in this shirt when I'm wearing the Liftwear cami than I do when I'm wearing a normal bra. And then I have this, which is a semi-loose, semi-tight dress. I love this dress. I love the color. I love the way it fits and looks. However, I don't like how my bust fits in it. This is from the front. This is from the side. They are literally like almost at my belly button pointing down. This is the back. This is just what the dress looks like with the shapewear on. Obviously, you guys can see there is a significant difference. My tatas are up where they should be. My tummy is definitely sucked in. This is now loose. It's not sticking to my rolls or anything like that. This is from the side. And then I just have this, which is a romper that I've worn probably once or twice, but barely ever wear because I don't like the way it fits with my normal undergarments. This is with my regular bra from the front, from the side. You can also tell that I'm a little chunky. I absolutely love this. I think it's beautiful, and I would love to wear it more, but I just have never liked the way it fits. But that's gonna change. So this is what the romper looks like with the shapewear on. As you guys can see, I am significantly more flat. Obviously, I'm still a little chunky, but that's okay. And notice that my girls are where they're supposed to be, upright. And this is all smoothed over now, and I just love it. You can't see any of the lines from it on. The opening for this romper is a little funky. Normally, tops like this have like a little tiny button right here so you can button it and keep it closed. This doesn't, which is another reason I've always been afraid to wear it, because a regular bra wouldn't have this part covering you. And I would totally wear this with this because I love the colors together. And I'm totally fine with this part peeking out. And I'm really excited to actually be able to wear this summer. So that is just my video all about HONEYLOVE. Again, a huge shout out and thank you to them for sending me all of these tanks and camis. I am so in love, and they have simply been a game changer. And just for reference, I'm someone who's really stubborn with products, especially when it comes to clothing, because I do have a bunch of different surgical scars. Like I mentioned in the video, if clothing rubs a certain way on it, it's super uncomfortable, and I've literally had to change my entire wardrobe simply because of these scars. And these HONEYLOVE Love tank tops and camis have been a game changer and make it so I can wear clothing that I didn't used to be able to wear. Like I said, I do have a discount code for you guys. It will be in the description, and I did mention it earlier. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more body confidence videos or outfit related videos, definitely let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!